how to use voice typing in Google Docs. First, open any web browser on your computer. To quickly create a new Google Doc, type docs.new in the address bar and press enter. Now, let's navigate to the voice typing feature. On the top menu of your new document, locate Tools. Click on it and then find Voice Typing in the drop-down menu. A microphone icon will pop up on your screen. This indicates that voice typing is active. Let's test it to see if it works. This is an example of me using voice typing. As you can see, my spoken words are being converted into text seamlessly. It's working perfectly. An added benefit of this tool is access to different languages. If you have students or users who aren't fluent in English, providing them the ability to use their native language can be incredibly helpful. To change the language, click where it says English US in the voice typing menu. A drop-down list of various languages will appear, from which you can select the one you prefer. Not only is this a powerful tool for multilingual users, but it's also great for students who might not be motivated to write using a keyboard or are slower typers.